Hi, I'm Kara with Pike Nurseries. Today I have some basic tips for growing houseplants. The first step to houseplant care is to provide the right amount of light. If you can't provide enough light for the plant, no matter what else you do, your plant simply won't thrive. It's best to determine how much natural light you have in your home and then choose plants that will thrive in that situation. Check out our other video for detailed steps on how to determine your light. Next, you need to know what planting medium to use for your plant. Potting soil is what's most used for the majority of houseplants. It's lightweight for good water drainage, but also has some wetting agents to hold water so pots don't dry out too fast. Also, it has some starter fertilizer to get your plant going. Bark mix is large, coarse medium for plants like orchids and bromeliads that don't naturally grow in soil or need very well-drained medium. Cactus mix is a sandy planting medium for cacti and succulents that doesn't hold much water. Next, you're going to make sure that you get the right containers that have drainage holes so excess water can drain from the pot. If you have a pot that doesn't have a drainage hole, leave the plant in its plastic pot and remove it from the decorative pot when watering, then replace it after excess water drains out. It's usually best to get a pot that's only 1 to 2 inches larger than the plastic pot your plant came in, then gradually increase the pot size as your plant grows larger. Next, you're going to want to top your houseplant with decorative moss or stones. This will give it a clean, designer look while also helping with moisture retention. Once you have your houseplants picked out and planted up, you need to keep them thriving. Watering is key. Most people tend to overwater. Use the touch test to determine if your plants need water. Stick your finger 1 to 2 inches in the top of the soil. If it's dry, water thoroughly as needed. You want to make sure that you water the soil level, not the foliage. And be sure that excess water drains so that roots are not sitting in water. Always remove spent foliage as leaves occasionally turn brown. This will encourage new growth. After that, make sure you fertilize once a month with an all-purpose liquid plant food. Some houseplants like orchids, cacti, and succulents will benefit from a specialized fertilizer. Last, you want to dust your plant's leaves just like you dust furniture. Dust on leaves can clog pores and affect your plant's ability to photosynthesize. Use a damp cloth to wipe the leaves about once a month and then follow up with a leaf shine spray to keep the leaves glossy and beautiful. Don't use leaf shine on plants with soft, fuzzy, or non-glossy foliage. And now you're ready to start growing your own houseplants. For more advice, come see our certified plant experts in our stores or visit pikenursery.com.